welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of the homemade fidgets I've made these past years and months. So let's get into this video. So these are all the Apple products I made. It's fake Apple products, of course. And I've made them into squishies, so let me show you. This is a Apple pencil. This is really funny, I feel like. It's not really a pencil, but it's still really cool. And in the middle here, I forgot to put stuffing because I ran out. So I just left it as it is. And it's, yeah. I don't like this. This is not my favorite, but it's still really cool. So yeah, moving on, we have a phone. An iPhone. I guess it's an iPhone 15 because, yeah. And here it has all the apps like Photos, App Store, Music, Calendar, Clock, Camera, Text, and so much more, as a real phone does. And it's had time. So yeah. And then I forgot to do a phone case on the back, so just plain white. Or the logo. I didn't do the logo, so yeah, but it's really squishy and it's nice. And whoa. Shot out air. Oh my goodness. I did not see. There's a brick in here. I might have to tape that up. So, yeah. And then my biggest Apple product and one of my biggest fidgets I own, homemade fidgets, is a MacBook Air. Super cool. There it is. And if we look inside, we have real things. So here are all the apps like Music, Text, Games, Camera, Password, Time, and the keyboard. The keyboard, I'm so excited to tell you this. I've written the space bar and all the other keys with all these symbols. This keyboard took so much time and effort to write. So yeah, I did not think I would do that much work for this little squishy. So yeah, well, it's a big squishy. Okay, next we're going to move on to all my fidgets I've made with balloons. So yeah, first I'm going to show you my bubble blowers. I've got a duck with me and a unicorn. Oh. So let me show you the duck. The duck is really cool, and yes, there is little sprinkles in it. So yeah, super cute little bubble blower duck. And next we have a unicorn. It's kind of a fail because it does not really show the whole unicorn part center. So yeah, that was a fail. And there's still little glitters in there. See, so really cool. Next, I have. So this is supposed to be peas in the pod, but I made it as little dumplings in like a lettuce wrap. So yeah, so cute. They have cute little colored faces. They're so cute. They have little colored faces. And I just used felt for the lettuce, and it's so cute. Like, I could be squishing this all day. So yeah, I really like this one. Next, we have this. I call it like the stretch man. It's filled with like Play-Doh, but it's like breaking in here. This is my least favorite fidget I own. So sorry, Mr. Stretchman, but yeah, it's just, ew. It grosses me out. Like, ew. Yeah, this has been here for so long, so yeah, not my favorite. Last but definitely not least, I have this little thing. This is supposed to be like a treat, and there's supposed to be like a panda popping out. See, look at that panda. He's kind of deflated, but still cute. Still really cute. So, yeah. And I also made this with felt. Super cute. Amazing. So, now we're going to go into all my random paper squishies. So, yeah. Here I have the cutest smiley face. This is actually really squishy. So, yeah. It's so durable. Super cute and squishy, and yeah, really fun to squish. A little smiley face. Hope you're all happy. Next, I have a white chocolate M&M cookie. I made this with duct tape, I'm pretty sure. It's really unique. I don't think I've seen a white chocolate M&M cookie. Have you? Tell me. I want to know. I really want to eat one, though. It squishes so well and just like rises up slowly. It's like a slow rise squishy, which I really like. Slow rise squishies. Super cool. Really good squish. Next is one of my favorites. It's boba. If you don't know, I love boba, and I'm obsessed. Look, it's like a narwhal, and the straw's supposed to be the horn, which is so cute. And on the straw, there's a little baby narwhal, ice cubes, and the yummy, delicious boba. Wow, why everybody gets boba. And this squishes so well. It's not slow rising, but super squishy, which I love. So yeah. And that's all for the random paper squishy. I also had this I made. Super cute. It's a hair bursting. So I had a Ziploc on here. You can see the Ziploc. And I put hand sanitizer in it. And I found these little squishy gummy bears at in a slime kit. And I decided, wow, I'm going to make it with a hairball wrapper. This, yeah, but it's like really cool. And it does squish. It's just really fat. But yeah, it does squish. It does. So yeah, I really like this one. Next is one of my favorite fidgets of all time. They're these things. They're houses for like animals. And inside they're like kitchen, bathtub, and things. It's like a house for your squishy pet. So I'm going to show you all of them, which is going to take some time. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you Unicorn House first. Here's the Unicorn House. Her name is Barry the Unicorn. So what you do is you pluck off a little animal. He's not that squishy. They're not that squishy because I can only fill a minimum amount. So that's sad, but yeah. So let's hop into Barry's house. Barry the Unicorn's house. So here we have her amazing, and I mean amazing bedroom. So what little Barry can do is she can go hop in her bed, just like that. It actually has a pocket for them to stay, so yeah. And what's in her bookshelf? What's in her little case thing? Of course, in her bookshelf is going to be a book. But, oh, this is a really nice book. It's a Little Unicorn storybook. Of course, I didn't write your real word, but that would be super cool. Here it is, really nice. It's actually colored, so yeah. Unicorn story. And then we can go right back in her bedroom, like at all. And once you're done reading the book to her, she'll fall asleep and you can put the book right back. But, of course, she will wake up. And now she's really hungry. So let's hop into the kitchen. So as you can see, I drew a little kitchen mat. So let's see what she has for her main meal. What do you think it is? And of course, it's a mini bowl of mac and cheese. Yum, delicious, and you can feed her. Amazing. That mac and cheese made her full. But she's always had her stomach a little empty for dessert. What's her dessert? The yummiest donut ever. Yummy. Then we can put it back just right here. Let me put that back. And yeah. Next, she needs to play. She's super hyper now. Yay! Look what she can do. She can slide into the ball pit. just put her on real quick. There. Yay! What toys does she have to play on her little cubby? They all have 3 toys they get to play with. Let me just get them out. There. I'm not going to show her real quick. Let me just show you guys. Sticks. So here, we have a little turtle toy. That's so cute. She'll love playing with that. A teddy bear. This could also be great for her bedtime. 2 in 1. Amazing. Aw, and a little fishy toy. Super cute. Let me just put that back real quick. And she's done playing. Now she's got super dirty, so she has to go in her bath. Whee! Oh my. Okay, whee! Super cute. Oh, she's drowning. No. Okay. So here we have her bathtub, and of course they all have the same things, just in different colors. So yeah. Here we have lotion, which is a must. A sponge, we can clean her off. Come on, clean up. And then, of course, some soap. Tear-free. Definitely don't want her to get soap in her eyes. And then she can go back to sleep, or she could just hang out right here. So that's one of the houses. Now I'm going to show you the fox house, Splashy. Hi, Splashy. Ugh, get her out. Cute little Splashy. Let's see. I don't have to describe it too much, but ooh, her bedroom's so nice. I really like it. I have different colors for all of them, which is really unique. I put a lot of time into this, so yeah. Go in her bed. What story am I going to read to her today? She have a story. Okay, there. Oh, she's going to read a fox story. I wonder what it's about. You can make it anything, actually. But yeah. Oh, little Splashy's fallen asleep. But of course she's going to wake up. Let's go in the kitchen. What is going to be her main meal? I don't know. I have no idea, actually. Oh, pizza! Everybody needs pizza and yummy cheese. Oh, yum. One sec. There. Okay, so what's for her dessert? I wonder what it is. It's yummy cupcake. Whoa, he's gonna be super energetic. Or hyper. And hyper. But now since he's hyper, he needs to play in the playroom. Whee! In the ball pit. He's partying in the ball pit. Let's see what toys he has. I hope they're really good toys. Let's see. Oh, a birdie toy. That's really cute. I like birdies. A star toy, which is cute. Starfish, I don't know. And, of course, a car. A toy car, of course. Now he has to go to the bathtub because he is dirty. Yay. Hop into the bathtub. Let's see what color he has. Oh, he has a pink lotion and a purple sponge here. Okay, let's see where his soap is. Oh my goodness, where's his soap? Okay, and a green soap. Super cool, and now he can go back waiting for new people to play with him and comfort him. Next, last but not least, it's the bear house, Flower. Hello, Flower. He's probably the squishiest because he's big. Okay, so for his bedroom, let's see what story we're reading this time. Can you guess it? Don't know, can you? It's, of course, a nice bear story. Super cute. Now, once he's fallen asleep, he wakes up. What's his main meal? Do you guys know? I don't know. Okay. Ooh, we have a yummy hot dog. Yum. And for dessert, what does he get to have? Cake! Everybody likes cake. Especially bears. Okay, now he's really, really hyper. So he gets up, play. And it's my time. Wee! Oh no. Scared of. Okay, now we get to... ooh, his toys. What is that? Oh, okay. So this is a Little Mermaid tail, which is, I couldn't tell what it was. Cat. And and a little train toy. Super, super, super cute. Creative and cute. But now he's really dirty, so he has to take a bath someday. Let's see what color bath things he has. Oh, a yellow lotion. Pink soap. And a yellow sponge. And then, of course, at some point, he has to go outside to greet more customers. Customers, people who can play. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.